If your vinyl window will not lock properly, you may need to make adjustments by adding a shim to the keeper. Contact JELD-WEN for information on ordering parts. JELD-WEN vinyl windows can come with a cam lock, WEN lock, or mag lock. This video is on cam lock adjustments. If your window has another type of lock, please watch the appropriate video. First, remove the sash for easy access to the keeper. Watch our video on sash removal for more information. Next, loosen but don't remove both screws in the keeper. Now, simply raise the keeper and insert the shim. Finally, retighten the screws, making sure not to over-tighten. Reinstall the sash and close and lock the window to test the new alignment.